What's up, everybody? It's Wheelie bro out here in Houston with the boys. Haven't rode in a minute, so I'm pretty excited to get some riding in. It's been a minute, so hopefully I'll get a good video for y'all today. If not, just know I gave it hell. So everything's looking good. We got Surge ESR out here. He's learning circles today, so his bike ain't got fairings on it, but he's killing it already, which is pretty crazy. I don't know how much air my damn tire has in it. Oh no! I knew that thing was gonna give me shit today. Look at him go! Alright, y'all, I had to take my 12 bar off, so big rip. We'll see if no 12 bar is like the OP way.
Damn, son, where'd you find
that? Alright guys, the good news is we're still riding. The bad news is this might be the last time I get to ride my bike before I really need to do some serious work to it, because it's hella clouds. Having big issues here. What's not wrong with this thing for real? the pull bar. Ah!
Damn, son, where'd you find
Could it be? Hi, Dad! What's up, lady? Clutch work, son! That could have been bad as fuck! Cover your clutch! I went for a one-hander and it went bad and I grabbed it and when I did, yeah! I think that was a whole spreader circle. Don't know why my bike just died. Damn it. Ugh. Better get in the truck on that note. Alright guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please consider subscribing. And if not, then let me know why it sucked. Peace, you guys.